Learning about credit doesn't have to be complicated. Here's a few easy steps that'll get you going on the right path. Point number one, let's just go ahead and start with the basics. First of all, what is credit? Credit is the ability to borrow money or goods with the promise to pay it back later. Now, we also have what is called a credit score. Now, your credit score is a number that's based on your ability to borrow money. Lenders will look at this to see if you are actually in a position to borrow money, and it will affect you to see if you have the ability to get borrowed money at a lesser rate. Now, number two is using online resources. There are plenty of websites out there. There are plenty of areas that you can go online to learn about credit. You can look at YouTube videos such as this one. You can go online and look at credit-worthy websites that have good information about what to learn about credit. So I would start there if you're just learning about credit. Number three is checking your credit report. Checking your credit report is very important. You need to know this number. You need to be on top of it. Look on the link below. I have a link that'll get you the ability to download the 3 credit bureaus of your credit report so that you can get a good start of what your credit looks like now. Another thing is you want to learn the key terms in this credit world, such as APR, which means annual percentage rate. You want to learn terms such as hard inquiries, soft inquiries, and also utilization rate. If you get these 4 terms down, it'll help you get a better understanding of this whole credit world that we're living under. Number 5, utilize apps and other tools that are available online. There's plenty of apps online that'll help you keep an eye on your credit, helps you keep an eye on your utilization rates, your APR. There's plenty of apps out there, but the one thing you really want to do is make sure you have a good understanding of your credit. There's so many tools out there that you can use to help you on this path of credit worthiness. Number 6 is talk to a financial advisor. If you have any questions or any concerns about your credit history, talk to a financial advisor, talk to a credit specialist. People like them can help you. People like me, if you're interested, I can help you to help you understand your credit worthiness, your credit score, and your credit profile. That'll be a key to get you, again, going on a good path of credit worthiness. And the next one is practice responsible credit use. If you're new into credit, start small. Maybe get a small secured credit card. Use it only when you need it. Pay it back. Use it again, pay it back. Don't carry a balance. This will help you build credit, and other lenders in the future will see that you are responsible, not only to use credit, but responsible to pay it back. And the last point is join online communities. There's plenty of communities online that you can join, ask questions, get financial information, get information that will help you build your credit. I mean, even if you go to my website, summitbeacon.com, you can learn some valuable credit information, the basics. You can go to my website. I have an ebook that'll share with you the basics of credit. And if you need to speak to someone like myself, you can feel free and set up a consultation. I'll be happy to talk to you. Now, if you follow these steps, this will help you build a good foundation on your credit. It'll give you some information, some knowledge on the credit report, your credit history, and just the credit world in itself. Learn off these key valuable points and get a good start on your credit history and your credit worthiness.